Hey, we are starting lesson 8, and so the topic is information literacy and academic resources. So you'll learn a lot about how to find and use information that is accurate and not false, and you'll also learn a study skill of guessing the meaning of a word. So you'll see here, once again, a reminder of what things are due midweek, Wednesday night, and what things are due Saturday night. I'm going to go before I go into application activity, just a reminder on the discussion boards, there are two boards. The main board for the week where you answer one of the prompts, which are the different questions. And the other one is the questions and conversations. It would be great if you could, if you have any questions, if it's a general question that is not very super specific and it's one that others could answer, post it there. If it's a unique, very specific situation to your personal situation, send me an email. That might be a better place. And you can also share about how your gathering was on that questions and conversations board. Even upload, after I showed you last week how to upload a picture, upload your own picture of you in your group at your gathering. That would be a great way to share with us what your group. So I'm going to go to the post-gathering and go to the application activity for this week. And then it will have you, I want everyone to listen because this is a part that every semester gets confusing. Choose a topic discussed in an earlier lesson from this course. So we've had 7 weeks up until our 8th, 7 weeks of different topics. Choose one topic that you want to learn a little more about. So once you think of a topic, like we did time management, we did career exploration, once you pick a topic, you're going to go to this link. Okay, it's a Deseret News, it's a newspaper in Salt Lake City. You can go into the search engine to type your topic that you're looking for and try to find an article that is related to that topic. So when you do that, here's a little magnifying glass. I will type in there if I want something with time management. I would click that, type it in, and then look for different articles that are related to that topic. You'll have to don't just pick the first one, kind of look through and pick one that you think really you would like to read more about. So I always have people pick one about politics or interesting articles, but not related to a topic we've done. So make sure it has to do with a topic we've done up to this point. After you've read it, you're going to fill out this template. So you have to open up the screen. Hide my face for just a minute when it opens. All right. I want you to look here, write 2 to 3 sentences. When you answer, I will look for 2 or 3 more sentences. I will take points off if you don't follow that guideline. Type them right into the space in your own words, so don't copy the article and paste it right into here. You write a summary. We practiced that last week. And like it says, just as you learned in lesson 7, have these things in it. And a lot of you, I gave in my feedback how to do that. If you don't know how, go look at your feedback. So just type right here and do it. In the article, and in the name of the article, whatever it is, Sarah Jones stated that, and then whatever your summary is. I need to make sure I have 2 to 3 sentences. Do you agree with the concepts? If I say yes, that's not enough because I need to look at this next part. Why or why not? So why do I? Because, and then write 2 sentences. So I'll go on for a while, and I'll write another sentence. Okay. Now look at the article to determine if it's reliable. I can put this back up. Is it a reliable resource? Is this something that you would want to use when writing a college level course research paper? So you'll use these questions and answer those to determine if it's reliable. Find out the author's name. You might have to do a little research. Try to find a little bit about how much education the author has, what degree what they got their degree in. If they're writing about economics and their degree was in dance, it's maybe not on the topic they studied. What experience do they have in that field? Maybe their career is helping them learn a lot about that topic, so they are reliable. Based on what you learned, then do you decide, are they reliable? Yes or no? So that's one where you can just write a yes or no answer and don't need to have 2 to 3 sentences. Then you have other questions you answer about the article. So you need 2 or more sentences, unless you see here, if it just says yes or no, you can just do yes or no. But for all the others, you need to have 2 to 3 sentences. Okay? Hopefully that is clear, and if you have any questions at all, send me an email. If it's a general question, put it on our board, and look for my challenge for this week on the discussion board. What am I going to get you to try to do this week? Last week I asked you to add a picture. Before that I've asked you to put the prompt that you're answering, the question you're answering, put at the top of your response or in the subject line. So this week I'm going to have you try something else and give those a try. Okay, thanks everyone.